Note: Puran Sripur is a village located in the Barama Point, Tahsil of the Baksad district. Durga Temple, Puransripur, Baksa, Assam. Puransripur Temple, Baksa, Assam. The Durga Temple in Puransripur is located in the Baksad district of Assam, India. The temple is a local religious site, particularly noted for its activity during festivals like Kali Puja. Visitor information. Location. The temple is situated in Puransripur, Barkachuajar, Assam 781346. You can find its precise location on a map. Hours. It is generally accessible 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Accessibility. The location offers a wheelchair-accessible entrance and wheelchair-accessible parking lot. Best time to visit. As with most temples in the region, the winter months from October to March are generally considered the most comfortable for visits due to pleasant weather conditions. Nearby attractions in Baksa. The Baksa district is home to several other temples and religious sites, including the Sanyasi Shiva Dam, a shrine dedicated to Lord Shiva. Based on search results, the temple located in Puransripur, Baksa, Assam, is the Durga Temple or Durga Mandir, Puransripur. Key details about the temple. Location: H84G plus FR7, Puransripur, Barkachuajar, Baksa, Assam 781346. Significance: it is a local place of worship, noted for celebrations during festivals like Kali Puja and Durga Puja. Accessibility: the temple is wheelchair accessible, including the entrance and parking lot. Visitor activity: it is generally not too busy on weekdays, though it can be active during special occasions. Other nearby religious/tourist sites in Baksa. Moina Pukuri, a popular trekking site and natural pond surrounded by forests. Manas National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site in the district. Bagamati, a scenic picnic spot on the foothills of Bhutan. Dumni Shiv Mandir, a temple located on the Nafkachi-Dumni Road. The Durga Temple or Durga Mandir in Puransripur, Baksa, Assam, is a recognized local place of worship in the region. It is situated in the Baksa district and is listed as a notable location for accommodation searches. This temple acts as a focal point for devotees, particularly during the major Durga celebrations. Key details regarding this location. Location: Puransripur, Baksa district, Assam. Significance: it serves as a local religious site for the community. Context: while not the same as major Shakti Pithas like Kamakya or the historical Buri Gosani Devalaya, this Puransripur temple serves the surrounding population. Note on location: while there is a well-known Diapani Durga near the Namur Reserve Forest, the location reference is explicitly listed as Puransripur, Baksa, Assam.
बरिया बिनानाव बरिया रायजाफोर लागा
मर्जी से अपनी उड़ती ही जाऊं, खुद की करूं मैं क्या तारीफ, रात ने चुराया मेरा काजल, मुझसे नैना मिला के मौसम होने लगे पागल, सबसे होके बेफिक्र नाचूं मैं आज छम 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 छम